Welcome to your shop. Once you register to have your shop set up, you would be able to complete the setting up with this simple button, which is settings. And then once it's open, you'll see how much work you have to do. Now, from my point, I have 40% completed by registering, and then I have only extra 60% to do. So the first thing I have to do is to go to store, and my store name is here, and the URL to my shop is also here. You can edit it in case there is an hyphen. For instance, let's say we have an hyphen here, and I don't want the hyphen, you can remove the hyphen. So that is how it works. Now this is the store email, and then I can add my store number. So let's say this is my store number. I add my store number. I can equally add my logo. So find my logo quickly. Let me see here. Okay, so place. So this is my store logo I want to use. So I upload the logo. Once it's done, you'll see a select button here. So you click on the select button, and then your logo will appear here. Now for my banner, I have options to use a static image, which is one, or a video URL. For this one, I want to use a static image. So I click on it, and then I go to select. I go to my desktop, and I find an image to use. Okay, so this is the image I want to use for my banner. So once it's done, you click on the select button, and then the banner will also be loaded for you. And for mobile banner, this is for desktop, how people will see my website on the desktop. And in case I want a different kind of banner for mobile, or maybe because of the size, I have made a specific smaller size for mobile. So you can equally use that. For me, I just want to use the same one. So I go to select, and then store list. For store list, we are talking about where there are number of stores. How do you want your business to look like? So for me, I want to use a different image altogether. So I just go to upload and select. And let's say, let me use this friend of mine's business here. So this is how my store list is going to look like. Once it's done, you click on select. Now shop description, where you type a short or a beautiful description about your business. For me, I just wrote very simple: true market arena, integrity and satisfaction. And then you can write, maybe we sell, we do, whatever like you want to list, you can go. Once it's done, you go to payment. Under payment, you choose how you want to be paid. We have bank transfer or cash pay. If you choose bank transfer, you have to fill in your bank account details. And then if you choose cash pay, that is all. And delivery times, in case you want to set delivery for your business. So let's say you deliver every 10 minutes, every 15 minutes, you'll be able to set it here, but probably not feasible for you. Now, the search engine optimization for your shop is very, very important. So you have to type the title for it, which is, for instance, mine is quality and affordable items from China. And then under the meta description, you enter about 167 characters or 156 here. So let's go. I will type for all your electronics, clothes, and furniture. Look no further. So this is all I want to type, and I can say that TMA has got you with factory products. Factory price, factory price is okay. And I want to add again, quality is assured. So let's say quality is assured. So this is how my meta description is. Now, when you go and you type True Market Arena on Facebook, on Google, this name will appear, and then this description will appear beneath it. So this is what people will see on search engine. And then I can enter some keywords like furniture from China. So this kind of stuff. You can enter like, let's say, bags, shoes, maybe furniture, and then from China, etc. So in case someone is searching for furniture from China, my shop will appear on Google for the person to see. But remember to separate each one of them with a comma. So bags, comma, shoes, comma, furniture from China, comma. And you can do the same thing for Facebook, for Twitter. So for me, I just want to quickly copy and paste. This is how it looks like. Now, when you look at here, Facebook image dimension is a bit smaller compared to what Google shows. So maybe you can set different images. So we give you the option to set your images. So for me, I just want to use this image, and then I come to do the same thing for Twitter. I come to do the same thing for Twitter. I did for Facebook, and let's go. Copy the description and then paste, and I want to use the same image for my Twitter. So if you share my shop on Twitter, this image is what is going to show. Once it is done, you click on save, and if everything is complete, you go to store policies. Under store policies, you'll be able to edit this section, which is shop policy. I want to call it True Market Policy. And we have a template of something. You can read and edit it. The red things or the words in red can be replaced with your name. So welcome to, and then you place your shop name here. You can read. If it's okay for you, you leave it. If not, you edit. It's just a template. And we also have refunds and returns policy, and we have cancellation policy. So feel free to read, go through, and then edit them. Once it's done, you highlight on the save button, and then you click on save. So this is how to set up your shop, and once it is done, you would be able to sell your products with ease. So for instance, let me refresh the page for you to see. So as expected, once I have completed it, you see I have 100% here. It means my shop is ready to sell. So thank you and see you on the other side.